Wow, as a kid, I had this car on my wall. Growing up in the 80s, nothing was better than a Ferrari 308. 83 is the first year of the Quattrovalve, which everybody knows is the better motor for this car. It's awesome. Gated 5-speed shifter. That's a beautiful, beautiful red Ferrari, the only color they should come in. Absolutely stunning. Tons of service records, a whole folder with everything from back when it was new. Just an amazing car. Boy, does she run awesome. I just had her out. Shift through the gears, beautiful. Just, you feel like you're in another world in this car. Love it. Check it out, 1983 Ferrari 308 GTSI QV, baby. That's beautiful. All maintained, just did a fluid change on her. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Wow.